Fixing Pandora Playback Issues, Step-by-Step Guide.
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to tackle a common issue you might encounter while using Pandora. The app is loading but not playing music. Don't worry. There are several simple fixes you can try to get your tunes playing smoothly again.
Is it a network issue?
The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Pandora streams music, so if your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is weak, you might experience problems. Try opening a different app or website. If these also load slowly or not at all, the issue might be with your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or vice versa, to see if that resolves the issue.
Clearing the app cache.
Next, try clearing your app cache. For both Android and iOS devices, you can do this in your settings. Remember, clearing the cache will delete any temporary data stored by the app, but it won't delete your downloaded music or preferences. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Pandora, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, go to Settings, General greater than iPhone Storage, Pandora, Offload App.
Updating or reinstalling Pandora.
If none of the above works, the next step would be to check for app updates. You should always have the most recent version of the Pandora app installed for the best performance. You can check for updates in the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. If the app is up to date, but the issue persists, consider reinstalling Pandora. It's possible that there's an issue with the app that a simple reinstall could fix. Just remember to note down your account details before uninstalling the app, as you'll need these to log back in.
Contacting Pandora support.
If you've tried all these steps and are still having problems, it might be time to contact Pandora support. You can reach them through the help section of the app or on the Pandora website. They might be able to help you diagnose and fix the problem, or at least let you know if it's an issue on their end. So that's it, folks. These were some simple steps to fix Pandora when it's loading but not playing music. We hope you found this guide helpful. As always, remember that technical issues can happen, but they can often be fixed with a little troubleshooting. Happy listening!